Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young girl named Leora. Leora had a heart full of dreams and a mind brimming with curiosity. Her village, Everspring, was known for its vibrant gardens and crystal-clear streams, but Leora yearned to explore the world beyond the village boundaries. Every evening, Leora would sit by the old oak tree near her home, listening to the stories of travelers passing through. She heard tales of magnificent cities, enchanted forests, and distant lands where the stars seemed to dance in the night sky. These stories fueled her desire to see the world, and she decided that one day she would embark on an adventure of her own. One sunny morning, with a small knapsack and her trusty map, Leora set off on her journey. She walked for days, crossing meadows filled with wildflowers and forests teeming with wildlife. Along the way, she encountered many kind souls who shared their wisdom and offered her guidance. In a dense forest, Leora met an old woman named Serafina, who was known as the forest sage. Serafina had deep, twinkling eyes that seemed to hold the secrets of the universe. She sensed Leora's adventurous spirit and decided to help her. Serafina gave Leora a magical compass that would guide her to places where she was needed the most. With the compass in hand, Leora's journey took on a new purpose. She traveled to a village plagued by drought, where she helped dig a new well. She visited a town overshadowed by sadness and shared stories that rekindled joy and laughter. Everywhere she went, Leora brought hope and happiness. One day, the compass led her to a majestic mountain range. The villagers at the base of the mountains spoke of a hidden valley where a dragon guarded a precious treasure. Many had tried to reach the valley but were turned back by the dragon's fierce presence. Undeterred, Leora climbed the mountains, following the compass's gentle glow. When she finally reached the hidden valley, she found the dragon, but it was not as she had imagined. The dragon, named Kale, was not fierce but lonely. The treasure he guarded was not gold or jewels, but a collection of ancient books and scrolls containing the wisdom of the ages. Leora and Kale became friends, and she spent many months in the valley, learning from the books and sharing her own stories with the dragon. She discovered that knowledge and friendship were the true treasures. When it was time to leave, Kale gifted her a beautiful amulet that would always remind her of their bond. Leora returned to Everspring, her heart and mind enriched by her experiences. She shared her adventures with the villagers, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams. The village became a place of learning and wonder, attracting travelers from far and wide. Years passed, and Leora's name became known throughout the land. She was invited to speak at grand halls and humble cottages alike, her tales weaving a tapestry of wisdom and adventure. One day, a letter arrived from a distant kingdom, inviting her to a royal court where the young prince had fallen into a deep sadness. Determined to help, Leora embarked on another journey. She traveled across vast plains and treacherous rivers until she reached the kingdom of Evergold. There, she found Prince Adain, who had lost his joy after the passing of his parents. Leora shared her stories with him, tales of courage and resilience, of love and loss, and slowly, the light returned to Adain's eyes. The prince and Leora became close friends, and together they embarked on many adventures, exploring the kingdom and beyond. They climbed towering mountains, sailed across stormy seas, and delved into ancient ruins. With each adventure, they discovered new wonders and faced new challenges, always emerging stronger and wiser. One fateful day, Their travels brought them to a vast desert, where an ancient prophecy spoke of a hidden city made entirely of crystal. Guided by Leora's compass, they braved scorching heat and relentless sandstorms. At last, they found the city, shimmering like a mirage on the horizon. Inside, they uncovered secrets of the past and met a wise old sage who taught them the importance of harmony and balance in all things. Returning to Evergold, Leora and Aden shared their discoveries with the kingdom, ushering in an era of peace and prosperity. The Crystal City became a symbol of unity and wisdom, attracting scholars and adventurers from across the world. As the years went by, Leora continued to explore, never losing her sense of wonder. She mentored countless young adventurers, passing on her knowledge and encouraging them to seek their own paths. Her amulet, a gift from Kale, became a cherished talisman, symbolizing the enduring power of friendship and the limitless possibilities of the world. In her twilight years, Leora returned to Everspring, now a bustling village renowned for its culture and learning. She would sit by the same oak tree, surrounded by children eager to hear her stories. With a heart full of memories and a soul enriched by her journeys, Leora knew she had lived a life of true fulfillment.